Hi students, today we are going to talk about quadrilateral, and within that quadrilateral we will be talking about a new shape called kite. We have already discussed parallelogram, rhombus, trapezium. We are going to talk about kite today. Now kite looks like a kite, right? So this figure ABCD is a kite. Let me talk about the properties of a kite. What are the features of a kite? So the first and the most important, the feature is that the two adjacent sides are equal. Adjacent sides are equal, which means AB and AD are equal. Similarly, the other two adjacent sides, BC and CD, are also equal. That is the first property. What is the second property? The angle between the two unequal sides, this side and this side, which are unequal, the angle between this is equal to exactly opposite angle, right? Very important. So angle ABC is equal to angle ADC. Third and important one is that if you draw a diagonal, if you draw both the diagonals, then the diagonals intersect at 90°. Very, very important. Diagonals intersect each other at 90°, and the longer diagonal AC bisects the smaller diagonal BD, which means this is equal to this. If I name it as O, OB is equal to OD. Very important. Also, let me tell you here that if angle B is equal to angle D, as I just said, please remember angle A is not equal to angle C. But this diagonal bisects this angle, which means this angle is equal to this angle and this angle is equal to this angle. These are all the properties of a kite. Let me solve this question now. What it says is that this quadrilateral ABCD is a kite, and angle BCD is equal to 52°. Let me rub this. So BCD, this angle is 52, and angle ADB is 42, which means that if I draw this line, this angle is 42. It says is find X, Y angle and Z angle. These are the three unknowns, and we have to find all these three angles. How should we do this? Let's go with what we know. What we know, I started saying that this side is equal to this side, which means this triangle ABD is an isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle, if they have two sides equal, their base angles are same, are equal, which means angle ABD is equal to angle ADB, which means if this angle is 42, X will also be equal to 42. Simple. We have got the value of X. Now let me see another triangle, right? Which triangle is this? BCD. Again, the same rule. This side is equal to this side. So the base angles will be same, which means this angle, if we name it as 1, will be equal to Z. How to find Z now? Let's focus on this triangle. Angle 1 plus angle Z plus 52 is equal to what? 180°. The sum of a triangle is 180°. Can we find angle 1 plus angle Z from this? Yes, 180 minus 52. Which is how much? 128. Now, angle 1 is equal to angle Z, which means I can write 2 times angle Z is equal to 128. So what is angle Z? 128 divided by 2, which is equal to 64°. So Z is 64. This is also 64 because of isosceles triangle. Y is also, Z is also done. Left is now angle Y. Where is the angle Y? This angle we have to find. Now, if you see, we know this angle X, we know this angle X. The sum of the three angles, which means Y plus X plus 42 is equal to 180. Sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So now Y, we just calculated X, which is 42 plus 42 is equal to 180, which is equal to Y plus 84. This is a linear equation we are solving, right? We did this in the last class, 180. So Y will be equal to, if we take 84 on the right hand side, 180 minus 84, which is equal to 96 degree. This is Y. This is Z. And this is X. Simple. One thing I want to tell you before I go, that in question, they can also give you a flat kite or the kite in the horizontal form. Now, please remember, this angle is not equal to this angle. So always remember this, the equal side and the unequal side. In this case, this angle will be equal to this angle. The angle between the non-equal sides, this angle is equal to opposite angle. Not this angle is equal to this angle, though this is also a kite. Remember this, very important. I hope you like the session. See you in the next video.